All right, a 3-volt battery with a capacity of 350 milliamp hours is drained in 4 hours and 27 minutes. What is the resistance of the circuit it's attached to? Ooh, that's a good one. Okay, so let's figure out the current. Okay, the current, current is going to be charge that flows over the time, right? Okay, so the charge that flows, it's 350 milliamp hours. So that is a current of 0.350 amps flowing for 3,600 seconds. You must be really smart if you're trying this problem. So 0.35 times 3,600 is the charge that flows is 1260 coulombs, right? So that is 1260, and then divided by 4 hours and 27 minutes. Oh dear Lord. Okay, so I've got this. I've got it figured out. Okay, so 4 times 3,600. We got to get seconds, right? Plus 27 times 60. I did times 2 different ways. Let's do it the same way. Okay, so my current is 1260 divided by parentheses 4 times 3,600 plus 27 times 60. My current is 0.07865. And now we know now we can do Ohm's law. Okay, so let's see. We want to know the resistance. So this is the resistance corner. R is V over I. Resistance is futile, by the way. Okay, so let's see. V is 3 volts. And this is our current, 0.07865. So 3 divided by the answer I just got. And I get that the resistance is 38.14 ohms. Whew, look at that. I love that. You got to love that.